If you've ever wondered how to perfectly center an object in Photoshop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to center an object to the entire canvas so it sits exactly in the middle of your design. This is one of those Photoshop skills that saves time and makes your work look much more professional, whether you're creating thumbnails, social media graphics, posters, or simple photo edits. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump into Photoshop and start with the first step. The first thing you want to do is make sure the object you want to center is on its own layer. That's important because Photoshop needs to know exactly which layer you want to move. So go over to your Layers panel and click the layer that contains the object. Once that layer is selected, grab the Move tool from the toolbar. You can click it manually or just press V on your keyboard to switch to it instantly. The Move tool is the key tool for aligning objects in Photoshop, so make sure it's active before moving on. Now here's the trick that makes the object center perfectly within the whole document. You need to select the entire canvas first. To do that, press Ctrl A on Windows or Command A on Mac. As soon as you do that, you'll see those familiar marching ants appear around the edges of the canvas. That means the full document is selected. With the whole canvas selected, look up at the options bar at the top of Photoshop. You should see alignment icons there. Click the Align Horizontal Centers icon first, and then click the Align Vertical Centers icon. The moment you do that, Photoshop will automatically move your selected object to the exact center of the canvas, both horizontally and vertically. This gives you a perfectly centered placement with no guessing at all. If you don't see the object move immediately, double check that the correct layer is selected and that the entire canvas is still active. That's usually the main reason alignment doesn't work the way people expect. Also make sure you click the aligned buttons while the canvas selection was active because that selection is what tells Photoshop to center the layer relative to the document. After your object is centered, the last step is to deselect the canvas. Press Ctrl D on Windows or Command D on the Mac and the marching ants will disappear. At that point, your object is now cleanly centered on the canvas and ready for the rest of your design. And that's it. You've just learned how to center an object in Photoshop using a simple and reliable method. This technique is great for beginners, but it's also something experienced designers use all the time because it's fast, accurate, and easy to repeat. If you found this useful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.